Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about types of communication. There are many types of communication, but I'm just going to talk about two types of communication that have been made on the basis of the use of language. On the basis of language use, we have got two types. First one is verbal communication and another one is non-verbal communication. Verbal communication, it means the type of communication where language is used either in its oral or written forms. That is to say, under verbal communication, we have got two types. First one is oral communication, and second one is written communication. In oral communication, we make use of language in its spoken form. It means when we speak, we make use of oral expressions for speaking. That is to say, oral communication takes place through speech, lectures, or any talk. It means wherever we talk, wherever we share through oral expressions, it becomes oral communication. Secondly, we have got under verbal communication a type called written communication. Written communication, it means where language is used in its graphic form. All over the world, we have got near about 3,500 languages. But all languages are not having their graphical form. Rather, all languages are having their oral form, but all those languages are not having their written form. It means all languages are having their oral form but not written. It means very few languages have got their written script. Here, written communication takes place through letters, memos, circulars, reports, and notices. Secondly, we have got another type that is called non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, we have got again two types, non-verbal codes and body language. Non-verbal codes include proxemics, chronemics, and artifacts. Proxemics is the principle or maxim related to distance. It means how much distance is being maintained between individuals. That is to say, looking at the distance, we can understand as to what kind of relationship is there between two people. Again, chronomics. Chronomics is the maximum of time. It means how much time does a person take to communicate or to respond. It means if somebody is taking too much time, then we may say that the person is not willing to speak, or that person is reluctant, or that person knows nothing. Likewise, it means how much time a person takes to give reply. Nextly, another code is artifact. Artifact refers to objects and things. It means wherever we go, we try to guess the situation, we try to guess the ambience of the situation right from the things that have been placed over there. It means artifact. Suppose we go to if we go to certain bank, and if we find lavish furniture, AC, fan overhead, rather clean atmosphere around, then we may say the work culture of that bank is quite good. It means artifact. It means things that have been over there gives give us a kind of message, and from that message we form our opinions. Nextly, the another type is body language. Body language, it means messages passed on through our different organs of the body. Facial expression, our face is said to be the index of our mind. It means whatever feelings go on in our mind, whatever feelings are there in our mind are well expressed on our face. It means if somebody is sad, the sadness is reflected on the face. It means facial expression, eye contact, vocalics, gestures, postures, dress and appearance, and haptics come under body language. It means these all things pass on a certain kind of message, even